A two-day hearing on a motion for a new murder trial for a Toledo man is over. Lead investigator Brian Duggar is back from the courthouse now on day 2 with everything that happened in court today. Brian.
Yeah, now the waiting begins for Eric Misch. Judge Gary Cook says he may not have a decision in this case until December. But Misch was convicted of killing a man back in 1993, but he's always maintained his innocence. And he was back in court largely because several documents were discovered and turned over to his attorneys in 2021. Now, those documents, including several Crime Stopper tips, pointed to several alternative suspects not previously known to the defense. Now, today, prosecutors tried to minimize the value of those documents, and retired detectives James Anderson and Tom Ross testified for the state. Now, Ross said Crime Stopper tips often were not given to prosecutors or the defense if there was no merit to them. And the most interesting exchange of the day was between defense attorney Catherine Sato and Anderson involving Misch's statement to police. Now, during the middle of that taped statement, there was a noticeable click, and the defense believes Misch may have been coached during that period. When Anderson replied the recorder was only turned on and off once, Sato approached the stand.
Pausing at 18 minutes 38 seconds. Does that sound like the recording being turned off and turned back on again?
It does.
Now, Misch did not want to go on camera after the hearing. He's obviously trying to respect the process, but he was seen crying during the hearing. And he told me that life has been difficult since getting out on parole in 2020 because of the felony conviction. Reporting in studio, this is Brian Duggar for WTUL 11.